rely on our electronic devices and appliances every day. But did you know that a power surge could put your electronics at risk? I am Nicolette Mashile, also known as the Financial Bunny, and I've teamed up with Old Mutual Insure who care about what matters to you most. So, let's get switched on with our expert advice on how you can keep your home, business, and of course pocket safe against power surges. First, let's understand what is a power surge. It is a temporary increase in the current or voltage of an electrical circuit, electricity network, or supply. If strong enough, it can damage or even destroy appliances and electronic devices in your home. The main reasons for power surges are electrical overloads, faulty wiring, lightning strikes, and of course when the power comes back on after load shedding or grid interruption. So what can you do about it? Tip number 1. Invest in high-quality surge protectors. Install them at key electrical points in your home or your business. These devices act as barriers diverting excess electrical energy and keeping your electronics safe. It may cost you a little bit in the beginning, but you could save yourself thousands of rands in the long run. Don't forget, the most claimed for items are TVs and sound systems, kitchen appliances like fridges, freezers, microwaves, washing machines, and dishwashers, your gate motors, security systems, and swimming pool pumps, as well as computers and printers. So make sure that you think of everything in your home. Tip number 2. It is always a good idea to unplug appliances or any other electronic devices when the electricity goes out. These appliances, including your cell phones and computer equipment, because they can be badly damaged when the power comes back on. The same goes for unplugging your non-essential devices during storms. Let's go to tip number 3. Regularly maintain your electrical systems. Schedule an inspection by a qualified electrician to identify and address any potential issues. This keeps your wiring circuits and distribution panels in top condition, just the way we want it. Tip number 4. Don't let power outages disrupt your life. Make sure that you are installing those backup power solutions like a UPS, an inverter, backup generator, or even consider some solar. They provide that temporary power during surges, keeping your essential equipment running smoothly. If you do choose to go with a generator, please remember, it is critical that you never use it inside because it produces a carbon monoxide which can be fatal if inhaled, and it is highly flammable. So make sure that the generator is also switched off as soon as the power returns because it can be a very, very dangerous fire hazard. Tip number 5. Please remember to review your home and business insurance policies. Understand your coverage limits, the exclusions, and any other additional premiums that are necessary to make sure that you are protecting all of your assets adequately. Educate, especially your family members and your employees, about power surges and safety guidelines. Homeowners, I need you to review your insurance policies to see what is covered in the event of loss or damage to the home and its contents during a power outage. My customers, please, I am advising you to speak to your broker or your financial advisor or contact Old Mutual Insurance directly about any other additional cover that you may need. Tip number 6. During a power outage, alarm power packs and batteries may wear out fast, resulting in reduced functionality. This may also cause the alarm system to produce a false alarm and panic signals. So it's important to test the system regularly by activating it on purpose. Go and ask your alarm company to service the system at least twice a year. Switch the electricity off to see if the battery is working and make sure all of your alarm peripherals have fresh batteries if you have a wireless alarm system. Let's move on to tip number 7. Consulting with a qualified electrician or risk management expert like a trusted insurance broker can provide that personalized guidance based on your specific needs and of course your circumstances. Tip number 8. If you want to make sure that your electric fence and your security gate still works during power outages, install the reserve batteries and maintain them. While reserve batteries generally last for about maybe 6 to 8 hours, when the power goes out, continuous power outages will dramatically decrease the battery's lifespan. So it is incredibly important to make sure that these are tested and replaced, especially if you go away over the holidays. Lastly, tip number 9. Because the load shedding timetables are open to the public, criminals unfortunately may see blackouts as an opportune time. This means that you need to be extra vigilant, particularly when arriving or leaving your home in the evenings. Keep a torch in your car should you arrive home in the dark and need to open your perimeter security gate manually. By implementing these expert tips, you'll be equipped to navigate these power surges together with Old Mutual Insure, who care for what matters to you most.